Airbus is pushing back its timeline for the A220. The goal was 14 jets a month by mid-2026. That's now been nudged to the end of the year. Supply chain snags and assembly slowdowns are to blame. Engines, wings, at plants in Canada, in the United States. Right now, output is closer to 7 or 8 aircraft a month, about half the target. Let me set the scene. Airbus has delivered over 500 commercial jets so far this year. The A220 makes up just over 10%, 62 aircraft by the end of September. The company once aimed for 820 deliveries in 2025. That guidance has eased to the high 700s. Earlier this year, wings were even airlifted from the former Spirit Aerosystems plant in Belfast to keep things moving. And yet, Airbus is pressing on. It wants to reach around 100 A220 deliveries by the end of 2025. The jet, born at Bombardier and adopted by Airbus in 2018, has matured steadily. Orders continue to land. From next year, Airbus plans to make its airspace cabin architecture standard on the A220. But the fleet in service has had a rough patch. The Pratt & Whitney GTF engines, fuel efficient, quiet, lower emissions, have had teething problems. Aviation Source News reports that about 22% of the global A220 fleet was grounded just days ago. These overhauls can take close to a year. Spare engines aren't easy to come by. Airlines like Swiss, Air Baltic, each reports roughly 10 to 15 jets grounded. Flight hours are down about 25% compared with 2019. The same GTF issues have affected parts of the A320neo family too. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The A220 is central to Airbus's wider performance. Reuters says the program is losing money per aircraft. Hitting that 14 per month run rate is key to turning the tide. Every delay, on the line or in the air, makes the climb a little steeper. Now, a bit of context on the engines. Over the past 2 years, around 1/3 of GTF-equipped aircraft across fleets have been grounded at various points. For most cases, regulators have not flagged an immediate safety threat. It's about durability. Flight Plan reported a contaminated alloy in production led to weaker turbine discs. Tighter quality checks and material bottlenecks mean longer turnaround times for new builds and jets already flying. So where does this leave the A220? Demand is there. Passengers like the quiet cabin. Airlines like the efficiency. The bottleneck is supply, engines, wings, and the complex choreography of a global aerospace supply chain. If Airbus can stabilize parts flow and lift the line to 14 per month by late 2026, the business case sharpens. Grounded jets should steadily return to service as engines cycle through overhaul. I'll keep an eye on it for you. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe for clear updates. Share this with someone who'd appreciate a concise explainer. Thanks for watching.